Hi everyone, this is Lynn Wilson at Lynn Wilson Originals here in Mills River, North Carolina. And I thought I'd come on today and show you some things that I've been trying on this little jewelry box. Let's see if I can, that I got at flea market for $1. So a lot of times I like to try new techniques on these little jewelry boxes. So my next step here is going to be to try to add some gold leaf, and the products that I use for that are Speedball, Mona Lisa Speedball, and the instructions say to put it on and let it sit for half an hour, but really I prefer to just put it on until it feels tacky. So it feels pretty tacky when you're putting on this this is called adhesive size. When you're putting this on, you want to use really thin coats. You don't want any puddling, and I just use like an artist brush to put it on. The gold leaf itself, I got this off of Amazon, and obviously it's not real gold, but it's super thin. It's thinner than tissue paper, and it will go everywhere. I'm just going to lay the gold leaf over the areas that I know that I put the adhesive size. And I use a soft brush first to get it to stick. And it's going to rip. The way I applied the adhesive size here was kind of in a random fashion. I didn't want anything real solid. I want it jagged. So I'm not concerned if it rips or tears. If you didn't want that effect, you could always go back and add a little glue and put your gold leaf in the spots that it's missing. And I usually try to take off the pieces that are still whole so that I'm not wasting quite so much. It looks really nice over furniture molds. If you go to my Pinterest page, Lynn Wilson Originals, you can see where I did a sewing box. Now to try to get the rest of it off, I use a stiffer brush. And I like this Mona Lisa product because you don't have to wait too long. Like I said, the instruction says to wait half an hour. I don't think you need to wait that long. At least when I waited that long, it didn't feel sticky to me anymore. So I went back, put some more on, and just waited a few minutes. You want to make sure that there's no puddles in the glue, and the glue kind of goes on kind of whitish blue and then turns. And I'd probably, if I was just really doing a piece of furniture or something that I was very specific about, I would just put the gold leaf on in sections at a time, because it's kind of hard to remember where you painted the sizing. And I like to do it kind of random, and I love it when it cracks. The other thing to be careful of, your fingers and your brushes start to get sticky when you're doing this after you've done a couple pieces of foil. So you want to make sure. I'm actually going to put on a pair of gloves right now, and this comes in like copper. Great when you have like raised details, like so. There you have it. Any questions, let me know. Send me a message either through Facebook or Instagram. I also have a website, Lynn Wilson Originals, and on there I've got several blogs. I've got one about painting white furniture, one about using patina paint, my favorites for ceiling chalk paint, and again, if you have questions, just let me know. Hope you guys have a great day.